Hey there, speaker friend. This is Bradley Charbonneau, and I just wanted to walk you through this Hey Summit, this summit sort of dashboard, and what you as a speaker or a potential speaker can expect. And I just also wanted to walk through it because it's new to me and I'm learning it as we go. And there is just so much there that, wow, it's really pretty cool. So let's get over there. So this is a message for Gern Blanston. And if you know Steve Martin's stand-up comedy, you would know who Gern Blanston is. So you get this mail from me, and if you didn't get this, I will send it to you if you want it. If you didn't get it, it's going to say here, please check your speaker details. And you get this message. And here, if it's your first time, if you haven't set this up as a speaker, then go here. By the way, if you're watching this and you're like, Bradley, what are you talking about? Just to to backtrack, it is now January 8th, and in 9 days, January 17th, I'm going to host a pre-recorded online summit, a conference, seminar, whatever you want to call it, online, interviews, chats, videos, goodness, right? As if it were an offline event, but it's an online event. And I'm using this software, and that's the main thing I wanted to show you today is how this stuff works and what's available there. And for you as a speaker, what you can do. So, and if you, this one here, a little more background, I'm going to go access my speaker dashboard here as we speak. A little more background is that this is in typical Bradley Charbonneau fashion. I am doing this whether or not it's finished. I'm just going to do it because, like my first books, I just need to do this to get it done. And then we can keep improving. If I don't do anything, you can't improve on nothing. You can improve on something, but you can't improve on nothing if you did nothing, right? So here we go. We're at the speaker dashboard. Now I logged in. I've logged in as Gern Blanston. And so this is me, Gern Blanston. There's my email. There's my image. Upload that. Okay. And then this is my dashboard for the event. Now I'm curious if you have other Hey Summit events. Maybe they show up here. I don't know. That'd be kind of cool. But that's for this event. This is the every single day event. Speaking of every single day event, my plan is to host probably monthly events on the 17th of every month in 2021. Now, if they're short, if they're small, fine. But having an event, this is a prelude to offline events with the goal being Bali 2022, big retreat event in person. This is practice. This is getting there. This is getting to know you and me and audience and presenting and software and stuff like that. So that's what this is for me. This is a test drive, a roadmap, a practice run, but it's real. It's really going to happen. But this is for offline events in the future. And each one will be themed. This theme is every single day for January 17th, 2021. And by every single day, this is my most popular book. This is mainly about habits, how daily habits can lead to crazy, gigantic, unexpected successes and changes in your life, as it did for me. And but also it's very much a New Year's, a new dawn, new beginnings. Corona hopefully is on the way out, and we have a new start to the year, New Year's resolutions, stuff like that. Very motivational, inspirational. So back to the dashboard. This is for Gern Blanston again. Now, Gern here here's his talk, right? The habit is the goal. I might step in for Gern and give this talk. So here is the dashboard. You have a unique sharing URL. This is really cool. So if I copy this, right, and then I go and share it, this is what you should use to share the event. And then the tracking system will track your hits and stuff. Pretty cool, right? This one is interesting. It says graphics for your talk. There's only one, and it's kind of cut off. I don't know what's going on there. I'll look into that. I don't know if that's something that you uploaded or not. This is super cool. 7 attendees have booked Gern Blanston's talk. Pretty cool, especially considering Gern Blanston doesn't exist. Let's see what else we got here. So we have my talk. Under my talk, I can edit the details of my talk. Here's the title of it. Here's the date. Maybe don't mess with the date. I will do that. Your description of the talk. Now, then this is where, I mean, there's just an overwhelming amount of information here. This is kind of mandatory here, but this stuff, this is, I would say optional. I recommend it, but optional. Prize draw giveaway. So a giveaway, I don't know if they share this conference. So this is like, it's social media incentive for them to share, and they will be thrown into a pot, and they can win this thing. So I'm pretty sure this is what Gern here offered. He's going to give away 10 free codes of my book. Then you get this offer. So here's something you personally, you dear speaker, can offer here. What's your offer? Okay, here's Gern's offer is this course, and here's the URL. Pretty cool. So that could be a discount or an offer, or hey, I have services or whatever, not free. And I mentioned not free because the next thing is free, freebie. So here's a freebie thing that Gern is offering, the audiobook version of the book, and here's where they can get that. Okay, so lots to fill in here. I would say the mandatory stuff is the title and the description of your talk, and all this stuff is bonus, but hey, recommended, right? Whoa, oops, I accidentally hit that button. Quantity giveaway, 10. All right, save. What else we got? When we scroll down here, we get swipe copy. So swipe copy, pretty cool. This is stuff that I or the team organizers create that you can then use and share. So here's something from Instagram, and you can get, here's the text for it, and then here's the image for it. So you could, take this, save to your computer, and then use this in Instagram to share about this date. Here are more assets. Now, of course, I've just started building these, but here you can go see, there are images here that you do not have to create. They're already created, and I will make more that you can use for this event. Pretty cool, right? So I share all this stuff, and you get to use it. Okay, let's see where else we got here. Edit my speaker details. So that's you as a speaker. Did we already do that? No, we didn't. First name, last name, headshot, company, title, URL, right? All this good stuff. What I did not do, but I should, are these things, right? So please fill all that stuff in, or as much or as little as you like. That's speaker details, right? This was talk, and this is speaker. Ideally, I mean, as I said, I'm going to be doing these events all the time. So this is pretty cool. If you are a regular speaker with Repossible, then you have your speaker details, and I assume that your talks are just going to grow here. So a lot of this stuff will be similar or the same, and yet you can work on this. Okay, my talks. Okay, maybe I'm just going down the list here. Yeah, this is just going down. Affiliate dashboard. So this is kind of cool. This is when you share that link, we will get signups, and later we will work. We will talk about commissions and stuff. But for now, this is just a free event, free to sign up, all that stuff, right? No. Oh, that's kind of cool. PayPal email address, we can pay you. Kind of neat. Promote on Twitter. Check this out. So you click that button, it automatically makes you a tweet ready to go, ready to send with your custom link. Kind of cool, right? Here, you know what? I'm just going to go crazy. Bing, and send that. Kind of cool, right? What else we got? Public speaker page. Okay, so this is what your speaker page is going to look like. There's the photo of Gern. Title, name, title. I guess this is title of company and company. And then do we get to the talk yet? Where's the talk? Here's the talk. Okay, talk is here. Talk's covered. This is the covered for the 17th. Okay. And this is the public speakers page. So can I see this yet? If I click on this. Okay, so now I'm on the talk page. And of course, I'm not going to be able to see this yet because also it's not available yet. And so if what I also recommend is to sign up, maybe use a different email address or something, but sign up and see how this works because it's kind of cool, everything that's got going on. I mean, check out this homepage of stuff of what is available here. It's quite amazing how this software works. So there's my talk. Here are other talks. And what else? Oh, these categories. I kind of just made these up for now. These are based on the Repossible book series. So I will add and edit these. But for now, that's what they are. Speakers. There's you and our other fellow speakers. So this is what I wanted to show you. I wanted to show you this dashboard of what we have here. and that's where to find it. You'll get this email. If you didn't, just reply. I'll put a note in here that you didn't get it, and I will reply to you. And I'm looking forward to having you as a speaker, and I will set up the Calendly link. If we have not created our conversation, our chat yet, then we can do so next week. And hey, if by the way, if you're thinking, wow, Bradley, you're crazy, you're going to get this done in a week. Well, a lot of it's done. But if we haven't talked and next week is crazy, no problem. I'm going to have 11 more events this year. If you'd rather not be in this time around, not a problem. We'll just do one soon. But if you would like to be in this one, and the theme for this one is every single day, then fill out your form. Let's get your title going, and let's have a chat next week if we already haven't. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I hope this has been helpful. Just hit reply if you have any questions. All right, thanks, and see you next week. Bye.